Yeah, well, good morning. This morning what we have is a fairly mild start to the day, and we've also got a lot of cloud around. Now, temperatures today and any breaks in the cloud could well hit 18 or 19 Celsius, but at the same time we've got gales, even severe gales, across the far north of Scotland and the Northern Isles. You can see that just by looking at the spacing on those isobars. This cold front heading south, taking more cloud and patchy rain with it, and after a very mild start across Scotland and Northern Ireland, you'll find that the temperatures now starting to dip just a touch. So through the course of this morning, we continue with our weather front straddled across England and Wales, producing all this cloud. Some hill fog, some coastal fog around the coasts of Wales and southwest England, and also the hills here. But the cloud will break and we will see some sunshine. Now, very windy across the Northern Isles and the far north of mainland Scotland. Gusts to gale force, even severe gales, coupled with some showers, some of which will be heavy and thundery with hail and also sleet, whipping up some large waves, so you might find some disruption. Quite a windy day across Scotland generally, particularly so across the central lowlands, but for many of us, bar the odd shower, well, we are looking at some dry conditions. Dry too across Northern Ireland and for much of England, but remember too, England and Wales seeing a bit more cloud with some holes developing, and in the sunshine, well, we could see up to 19, but in the clouds, more likely 13, 14 or 15. If you're off to the Cheltenham Festival today, you can expect some bright weather, some sunny skies. Under the cloud, temperatures up to about 15, in the sunshine up to about 17. Now, through the evening and overnight, our weather front makes it down into the south with its cloud. It pivots, and then the whole lot's going to start to push northeastwards, taking its patchy rain, hill and coastal fog with it. Cold, where we've got clearer skies in the northeast. Cold enough for a touch of frost across northeast Scotland, and in stark contrast to the mild start that we had today. But it does mean that we'll see some sunshine from the word go. Still windy across the far north, and then through the day our weather front in the west pushes steadily eastwards, taking its cloud and its murky conditions with it. And rather like today, where you see breaks in the cloud, our temperatures will get up to maybe 16 or 17 Celsius, but where we don't have them and you're stuck under the cloud, again, we're looking at about 13 to 15. So on Thursday, this cold front comes our way. That heralds a bit of a change in the forecast. Our weather starts to come in from the Atlantic. This is a band of rain that's going to be slowly slipping southwards. And behind that cold front, you'll find it will turn that bit colder. So we start off on a dry and bright note. The weather front comes in, bringing the wet and windy weather with it. Temperatures still not too bad in the south, 11 to 13. And in the north, we're looking at 9s and 10s.